Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious chicken noodle soup. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. For this recipe, we're going to need 3 pounds of bone-in skin-on chicken, 3 cups of egg noodles, 1 cup of carrots, celery and onion, fresh parsley, 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves and fresh thyme, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, salt and black pepper. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. We're going to begin by seasoning our chicken with salt and black pepper. Make sure to pat it dry and make sure to add a good amount. And just do that on both sides. Now you get the best flavor using a whole chicken. So like that you can use the bag in every single piece of it. But for some reason, my local store had the chickens overpriced. But once we have that, now we can get ready to begin cooking it. Okay, now to our pot over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once that's nice and hot, we're going to place our chicken. And we're just going to sear it for 3 minutes per side. After 3 minutes, flip over the chicken and allow that side to sear for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 10 cups of water to the pot. And now just bring it to a boil. Okay, and once it comes to a boil, we're going to skim the top of our pot. Just to remove all of the impurities from the chicken. So once we've done that, now we're going to add salt, half an onion, a garlic head, fresh thyme, 2 bay leaves, the peppercorn, and celery root. We're going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it, and allow it to cook for 40 minutes. Alright guys, so after 40 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. But here we're just going to remove it from the pot. We're just going to set the chicken to the side until it cools down a little bit so we can shred it. And now we're just going to carefully strain all of our broth. Let's begin by removing the onion, the celery, the peppercorn, garlic, and along with that, remove the top layer of the broth. And now just carefully strain it. Alright guys, and once we have our chicken all nice and shredded, now we can get ready to finish up our chicken noodle soup. So returning to our pan over medium heat, we're going to be melting our butter. Okay, so once the butter has melted and our pot is nice and hot, going to add our onion, celery, and carrots. We're going to mix it and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, add the minced garlic along with the fresh thyme. Going to mix it and saute it for 30 seconds. Okay, and after 30 seconds, we can add our chicken broth. And before you add your chicken broth, just make sure that you remove all of the oil layered on top of the broth. And now here, we're just going to bring it to a simmer. All right, so once our broth comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. And now we're going to get ready to add our egg noodles and just cook them 4 to 6 minutes or depending on its package. So after 4 minutes, I'm going to get ready to add my chicken along with some fresh parsley and a little lime. Going to mix that and give it a couple more minutes. Alright guys, and after a couple minutes, our chicken noodle soup is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now of course you can serve your chicken noodle soup with some crackers or just enjoy it like that by itself. But let me tell you that this right here, it's seriously super comforting, so savory, so delicious. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. I am sorry. Now of course you can take a shortcut, you know, if you want to use rotisserie chicken and store-bought chicken broth, you can always do that, but let me tell you that doing it from scratch, it's seriously the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Nothing beats this. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious chicken noodle soup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.